Before I started working with Dr. Naylor, my health was struggling. I had seen a lot of other providers and was struggling with unexplained fatigue and other symptoms. And she was the first person to really help me. Originally, I found Dr. Naylor because she was certified on the Functional Medicine Fellowship website. But when I met her in person, she was amazing. She really listened to everything that I had to say. She really took all of my concerns to heart and ordered a lot of testing and really found a lot of things that other people did not find after years of unexplained symptoms. If there was anything that might have made me hesitate with getting started with Dr. Naylor, it would have been cost, because she's not an insurance provider with my insurance. I had spent so much other money in copays and other things that her fees were really worth it to me. So when I first met Dr. Naylor, I wasn't feeling well enough to start to try to conceive, but it was something that was really important to me. So it was a conversation that we were having throughout all of my visits. I did her foundational fertility course, and that just gave me a lot of info and knowledge to be working on things before I was even trying. With Dr. Naylor's help, I got pregnant naturally, and I'm very excited about that. The foundational fertility community was really great. I liked that the classes were group learning because other people would ask questions that I may not have thought of, but it brought up really good points for me. And it was nice hearing other people's journeys and just not feeling so alone. That was really great about it because, I had seen other fertility doctors, but, you're not with it in anybody else, and it can be pretty isolating. And so I think having that community aspect was really great. My life is completely different than when I first started working with Dr. Naylor. I have a lot of energy. I'm pregnant. I'm happy. I'm just a lot more healthy overall, and I feel kind of calm about it all. She gives you a lot of confidence that you're in control of your health and that you can do a lot of little things and kind of change your lifestyle just to be more healthy. One of my favorite things about working with Dr. Naylor is just her calm demeanor. I feel like in chronic health and infertility and issues like that, patients like myself can become very stressed and want everything now. And Dr. Naylor does a really good job of being calm and setting realistic expectations, trying to make good goals to work towards incrementally. I've been on this journey with her for, I think it's a little over 2 years now. I've been through a lot with her, and her calming presence is really helpful. I would recommend Dr. Naylor to any other woman on this journey, especially for fertility reasons, because she looks at your whole lifestyle and your whole body in terms of health, not just your reproductive system or single isolated things. She really looks at you as a whole. I think it's really important because a lot of people who have unexplained fertility issues, it can be little things that other people overlook or miss, and she'll really spend the time with you to go over and find those things and talk about lifestyle changes, especially the foundational fertility course. You get so much education and time. I'm Danielle P, and I'm in Carlsbad, California.